Essential elements of the legal system. Introduction. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the essential elements of the legal system for ACCA F4 Corporate and Business Law. In this video, we will explore what law is and its key functions in society, various classifications and types of law, different legal systems such as common law and civil law, sources of law including statute and case law, how the court system operates and the roles of legal personnel. Understanding law. Law is a system of rules created and enforced through social or governmental institutions. It helps regulate the behavior of individuals and organizations through four core purposes: maintaining order in society, protecting individual rights, promoting justice and equity, providing a framework for resolving disputes. The importance of law in business. Law plays a crucial role in business operations by providing certainty and predictability in business operations, protecting contractual rights and enforcing obligations, governing relationships between businesses, customers, and governments. Key examples include: contract law ensures agreements are honored. Employment law protects both workers and employers. Classifications of law. There are two main ways to classify law: criminal versus civil law. Criminal, offenses against the state with punishment including fines or imprisonment. Civil, disputes between individuals or entities with remedy usually being compensation. Public versus private law. Public, governs relationships involving the government such as constitutional and administrative law. Private, deals with individuals and private entities including contract, tort, and property law. Comparing civil and criminal law. Understanding the key differences. Parties involved. Civil law, individual versus individual. Criminal law, state, prosecutor, versus individual. Standard of proof. Civil law, balance of probabilities. Criminal law, beyond reasonable doubt. Outcomes. Civil law, compensation or specific performance. Criminal law, punishments such as fines or imprisonment. Examples: civil law, breach of contract, negligence. Criminal law, theft, assault, fraud. Sources of law. Legal sources are divided into two categories. Primary sources, official rules that must be followed. Statute law, legislation. Case law, judicial precedent. Secondary sources, persuasive rather than binding. Legal journals. Commentaries. Academic publications. Statute law. Statute law consists of laws created by Parliament or legislative bodies. Key characteristics. Supersedes common law where conflicts exist. Comes in two main forms: primary legislation, acts of Parliament, delegated legislation, rules made by bodies under authority of Parliament. Includes statutory instruments and bylaws. Case law and judicial precedent. Case law is developed by courts through decisions in past cases. It follows the doctrine of precedent where courts follow previous decisions, stare decisis. Key components include: ratio decidendi, the legal reason for the decision. This is binding on future cases. Obiter dicta, additional remarks made by judges. These are persuasive but not binding. This system promotes legal consistency and fairness. Example of precedent in action. The case of Donahue v. Stevenson, 1932, provides an excellent example. This case established the duty of care in negligence law. The decision became binding on all future cases in common law countries. It demonstrates how judicial decisions create legal principles that must be followed. Equity in law. Equity developed to correct harshness or rigidity in common law. It is based on principles of fairness and conscience. Key equitable remedies include injunctions, specific performance, rectification, rescission. Trust law also developed from equity principles. Legal systems around the world. Different countries use various legal systems. Common law system, based on judicial decisions and precedents. Used in the UK, USA, and former British colonies. Civil law system, based on comprehensive legal codes. Used in France, Germany, and Japan. Religious law, based on religious texts. Example, Sharia law in Islamic countries. Court structure, understanding the hierarchy using England and Wales as an example. Civil court hierarchy. County court, lower-level disputes. High court, specialist divisions. Court of Appeal, civil division. UK Supreme Court, highest court. Criminal court hierarchy. Magistrates court, minor offenses. Crown court, serious crimes. Court of Appeal, criminal division. UK Supreme Court. Legal personnel. The legal system involves various professionals. Judges interpret and apply laws in cases. Solicitors provide legal advice and prepare cases. Barristers represent clients in higher courts. Legal executives specialize in specific legal areas. Juries used in serious criminal trials to determine guilt based on evidence. Legal personality. There are two types of legal persons. Natural person, a human being with legal rights and obligations. Legal person, an entity such as a company or organization recognized by law as having rights and duties. A company can enter into contracts, own property, sue and be sued. International law. International law operates at different levels. Public international law. Rules between states and international organizations. Includes treaties and UN conventions. Private international law. Resolves conflicts in cross-border contracts and family disputes. European Union law. Had primacy over national law during EU membership. Basic math and legal context. Legal cases often involve mathematical calculations for compensation. Example, compensation in civil case. Assumptions. Daily earnings equals $120. Days of work missed equals 25. Legal costs equals $600. Calculation. Loss of earnings equals $120 times 25 equals $3,000. Total compensation equals $3,000 plus $600 equals $3,600. This type of calculation is used to quantify damages in contract or tort law. Conclusion. We have covered the essential elements of the legal system. Law provides the foundation for business and personal interactions. Different classifications of law serve different societal functions. Legal systems vary globally but all aim for fairness and order. Understanding courts, sources of law, and legal roles is critical for legal professionals and businesses. This foundational knowledge will serve you well as we progress through the remaining modules in ACCA F4 Corporate and Business Law. Thank you for watching this comprehensive overview of the essential elements of the legal system.